Imagine biting into your favorite fruit, thinking it's fueling your health, great for digestion, heart, and even anti-aging, only to discover it's silently weakening your legs, throwing off your balance, and damaging your knees. This isn't a theory. It's a hidden reality for millions of seniors worldwide. And the worst part, most don't even realize it's happening. Your trusted source for evidence-based health advice, tailored for those over 60. Today, I'm unveiling a game-changing truth that will make you rethink healthy eating as you age. After 60, your body changes. Blood flow slows, nutrient absorption weakens, and silent inflammation creeps into your hips, knees, and feet. Just a few wrong fruit choices can lead to weak legs, muscle loss, or even the inability to walk for more than 5 minutes. According to the National Institute on Aging, 38% of seniors over 65 face significant leg weakness, doubling their risk of falls, fractures, and loss of independence. Shockingly, certain fruits hiding in your fridge, ones you've always considered healthy, are to blame. Don't worry, I'm not here to scare you, but to empower you. You can restore leg strength, boost circulation, and feel the vitality of your youth by avoiding 3 problematic fruits and embracing 3 scientifically backed alternatives. In this video, we'll reveal the exact fruits to ditch, the ones to add, and how they can transform your mobility, reduce cramps, and support joint health naturally. If you're ready to take control, comment 1 below, share where you're watching from, and subscribe for our upcoming 7-day leg health diet plan to rebuild your strength 1 bite at a time. Let's start with the fruits to avoid. First up, overripe bananas. You might eat 1 every morning for potassium and digestion, but after 60, their high glycemic index, higher than white bread, spikes blood sugar, triggering inflammation in joints and muscles. This leads to knee pain, leg cramps, and muscle loss, especially when eaten without protein. A University of California study found seniors eating overripe bananas daily had a 2.4-fold higher risk of nighttime leg cramps. Swap them for avocados or leafy greens for steady potassium without the sugar crash. Next, red grapes. Praised as an anti-aging superfood, they're loaded with fructose and glucose, causing blood sugar spikes that inflame small blood vessels and joints in seniors. Their resveratrol benefits are minimal in whole fruit, overshadowed by 20 grams of fast-absorbing sugar per serving. The Journal of Geriatric Medicine notes that frequent sugar fluctuations accelerate muscle loss by 27% in seniors. Try cutting grapes for 10 days and notice if leg trembling or heaviness improves. Finally, watermelon. Refreshing, yes, but its glycemic index of 72 spikes blood sugar fast, stressing insulin response in seniors. Its high water content can also dilute electrolytes, increasing cramp risk. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors eating watermelon daily for 10 days had reduced leg vascular elasticity. Skip it for a week, opting for lower glycemic fruits, and feel the difference in stability. Now the good news, 3 fruits to embrace. Avocados top the list, packed with monounsaturated fats and potassium to reduce inflammation and cramps. A 2020 Journal of Nutrition study showed seniors eating 1 daily for 12 weeks had less knee pain and stronger legs. Blueberries with their low glycemic index and anthocyanins improve balance and circulation, per a 2021 University of North Carolina study. Just half a cup daily boosts muscle repair. Lastly, pomegranates, rich in polyphenols, enhance blood flow and reduce joint inflammation. A 2020 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found they lower inflammation markers in seniors' legs. Your legs don't have to weaken with age. Ditch overripe bananas, grapes, and watermelon, and embrace avocados, blueberries, and pomegranates. Comment, "I choose stronger" every day, subscribe, and share this with someone struggling with mobility. Let's rebuild your strength together.